Namaste. Today we will continue with the 22nd Sloka in chapter 2. Vāsāṁsi jīrṇāni yathā vihāya navāni gṛhṇāti naro'parāṇi tathā śarīrāṇi vihāya jīrṇāny-anyāni saṁyāti navāni dehī. Vāsāṁsi jīrṇāni yathā vihāya navāni gṛhṇāti naro'parāṇi tathā śarīrāṇi vihāya jīrṇāni-anyāni saṁyāti navāni dehī. In the previous sloka, Bhagavan has said that for a jnani there is no kartrutvam or doership, since he sees everything as Brahma. Ishavāshya Upanishad starts with the opening mantra like this: Ishavāshyamidam sarvam. Here, everything is nothing but Brahma Tattva. When we go to the beach, we see a lot of waves. One wave is big, one wave is small, one wave comes fast, and so on. But the truth is that they are all just water. It is just names and forms, and the truth is in and out water. Similarly, it is the various manifestations of that one truth which we call as Atma that we see as Jagat or Jiva and Ishvara. Okay, now what is Bhagavan saying in this sloka? Vāsāṁsi. Let's look at the meaning of some of the words. Vasas Shabdam Vasu Achadane in Sanskrit, meaning to cover. So Vasaha means clothes. So Vāsāṁsi, it's actually plural. So jīrṇāni vāsāṁsi. Jīrṇam means which are worn out or tattered clothes. What do we do with them? We discard them. Vihāya meaning discard. So when the clothes are not fit enough to be worn, say they have tears or shat, they have become very dirty, what do we do with them? We discard them. And what do we do? Navāni gṛhṇāti. Nava meaning new. We get new clothes. Naraha means manushyah. So these humans, what do? When the clothes become old, they discard those clothes, aparāṇi navāni, and they get new clothes. Bhagavan is giving this as an example, tathā, like that. Śarīrāṇi, these bodies, vihāya. So this jīvan, when the bodies are not fit enough to support the life, it is discarded. Anyāni saṁyāti navāni dehī, and he gets new bodies. This body we saw yesterday is got from the prarabdha karma. It is an earned body. We have given the cost of karma to get this body. And when we talk about bodies, it is not just human body. You can get a body of an animal or can get the body of a devata. In fact, bodies of devata are supposed to be much better. There we talked about 6 transformations in human body. Asti, jhayate, vartate, viparinamate, apakshiyate, vinashyati. But devargal have only 3 states. They start with youth. Hence, they are also called as tridashaha in Sanskrit. The lifespan is decided in the prarabdha karma. How long this jivan can reside in this body. Remember, we have given some money. So when the money is exhausted, you have to vacate this body. So the jivan, which is the sukshma shariram plus karana shariram, goes into another body. We saw the example of a pot filled with water. The pot is the sthula shariram, the water is the sukshma shariram, and the reflection that happens in the water is the pratibhimbam of Atma. Atma is sarvagatah. Atma is present everywhere. When the pot breaks, the gardener changes the water from this pot to another pot, and the reflection of the sun happens in that pot too. Similarly, when this jivan, which is sukshma shariram, we saw that sukshma shariram has 19 elements plus karana shariram, goes into another body. reflection of Atma happens in the Manas and we feel alive again. We'll continue with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.